Our entire panel is in the studio this evening. So we have a long shot where we can all be heard. Let me begin by saying that today everybody is watching. We have record viewership right now. I saw every minute thousands are joining our live stream and following this debate across the world. I will let everyone speak. I request everyone to hear others. Mr. Sabharwal, I want to start with you. And please kindly look this way. There are no cameras. Consider me your camera, sir. You look here, sir. And Shehzad is your camera. I'm your camera. Just look. My question to you, sir. Yes. Yeah, please don't look there.
I'm your CCTV.
No. Let's first address. Let's just address the serious issue at hand. And I request what happens is that if people want a serious discussion today, and if we get swayed by jokes and things, then we'll not address the serious issue at hand. Now the question is, Mr. Sabharwal, Rahul Gandhi has not denied that he has assaulted fellow members of parliament. And this incident is recorded. The members of parliament, as you've seen, are senior members of parliament. So they are senior to you. They are about Shashi Tharoor's age, about 70 years of age. And Rahul Gandhi is about 55. He's physically assaulting someone 15 years older to him. The member of parliament has head injuries and is presently admitted in the Ram Manohar Lohia hospital. Are you proud of this? Kindly please address the issue at hand. Sir, look this way, sir, and answer this way.
It is totally a distraction from the issue. There's nothing like that has happened. Rahul Gandhi ji has already denied the allegation. He did the press conference with Khadke ji today. Rather, Khadke ji suffered too much. He wrote a letter to the speaker, to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha also. My submission is that it's very unfortunate that the BJP to distract the issue of Ambedkar ji, where the Home Minister, the Honorable Home Minister has given a wrong words on the dignity of the Ambedkar ji. So they want to distract. And you know, the Rahul Gandhi की पार्टी जो है ना गोली खाती है, गोली मारती नहीं है. गोडसे की पार्टी गोली मारती है. इंदिरा गांधी ने गोलियां खाई थी, राजीव गांधी ने गोलियां खाई थी और देश के लिए कुर्बानी दी थी. दूसरी बात, when we
are you saying the woman MP who cried today? So 1 minute, sir. A woman MP. Why counter question to you, sir? Today, sir, there is something in the world called evidence. So you cannot manufacture the injuries. There are head injuries. 1 minute, sir. Sir, allow me to complete, sir. Allow me to complete, sir. I have a statement from the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, Dr. Rajesh Shukla. I hope that you will not suggest that such a senior doctor from Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital is lying. He's saying there is a severe injury near his eyebrow. His blood pressure was fluctuating. Both the members of parliament. अपने आप मारा है. अपने आप मारा है.
तो मारते नहीं किसी को.
But he has admitted.
गोली खाने वालों.
नहीं, but अपने आप मारा है.
हम मारने वाले. आपको लगता है कांग्रेस पार्टी ऐसी है?
Rahul Gandhi has not.
तो डर लगने लग गया उधर भी आते हुए आपकी तरफ.
He has not denied. Rahul Gandhi has not denied that he has beaten him
yesterday.
Sir, I have to ask you one question. Sir, there was a deep cut in the head. Sir, the deep cut and heavy bleeding.
We are not criminals like the Home Minister of this country.
Sir,
don't allow me to go to this level.
Sir,
these people can go to this level.
Sir, there was a deep cut and heavy bleeding.
Sir, let the inquiry comes.
Heavy bleeding, sir.
Let the inquiry comes. My submission is that.
Sir, the one MP was unconscious.
वर्कर कल मर गए. गुवाहाटी के अंदर वर्कर मर गया.
Unconscious, sir.
हमारा उत्तर लखनऊ में वर्कर मर गया. सर देखिए क्या हालत है.
This is parliament, sir. This is parliament.
ये लोग मारने वालों में से है. हमने कभी किसी को नहीं मारा. हमारी पार्टी नॉन वायलेंस पे बिलीव करती है और ऐसे तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं वहां पे. कुछ भी बिना बात के लिए राहुल गांधी.
I want to ask you one more question.
ऑब्सेशन हो गया इनको.
Sir, there is a woman MP.
बदनाम करने
का. There is a one last question to you. Sir, there is a woman MP. There is a woman MP. Mr. Sabharwal, there is a woman MP who has cried today and broken down in parliament. He said that he came very close to me. He was threatening me.
हमारी टीचिंग ही ऐसी नहीं.
She cried.
सर हमारी टीचिंग ही ऐसी नहीं है. हमारी पार्टी के अंदर
हमारे संस्कार
हमें सिखाया नहीं गया.
So what
हमें सिखाया नहीं गया.
कब तक डिफेंड
सर हमें सिखाया नहीं गया.
But he is not even defending it.
मेरे पे गोली चलाई है लोग.
Rahul Gandhi is not.
मेरे घर पे गोली चलाई है 85-86 में. सर ये लोगों की इनकी.
Sir, you have carried out great violence in 1984. I used to stay in Janakpuri. I know the violence the Congress is capable of. So how many Sikhs were killed by Congress leaders then?
कमाल करते. फिर आप सिख पे ले गए सर आप.
मैं ले रहा हूँ.
कमाल करते.
क्या आप वो भी डिनाई करते हैं?
सर हमने मारे.
किसने मारा? HKL भगत ने नहीं मारा. जगदीश टाइटलर ने नहीं मारा.
मारे हैं सर.
किसने मारा?
सर
किसने मारा?
स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन हुआ.
स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन.
स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन. किसको मारेंगे?
सर आपने मारा है.
Rubbish.
You carried out violence.
Arnab,
You allowing this
my
rubbish?
sister is married to a Sikh
Ask the
guy.
Aam Aadmi Party wasn't responsible.
My sister is married to a Sikh guy.
क्या वो काम
How dare he said the 1984 was
Spontaneous reaction का लोगों का.
I'm sorry.
हम मारेंगे.
He said a lot of things.
अरे आपको क्या पता? आप पैदा हुए थे.
You have to draw.
आप पैदा हुए थे. आप पैदा हुए थे. मैंने देखा अपने सामने क्या हुआ.
I request Sabharwal to control himself. Sir, calm down. Sir, calm down. My question to you now. 1 minute. Gentlemen, we all need to calm down. My question to you, Shehzad, I'm beginning with opening questions to all. And I, as an anchor, can only ask the questions. I request you all to control yourself. Sometimes I'm worried, viewers. You know why I'm worried, viewers? I do these debates. Sometimes I'm worried that there will be an act of violence in my studio. I sometimes feel I'm risking my life by doing these programs. I ask you this. I ask you this with sincerity. Shehzad, you have seen here an absolute and clear denial by the Congress party that Rahul Gandhi is not responsible for the severe injury to the back of the head of Sri Mukesh Rajput, not responsible for the head injury of Pratap Rao Sarangi, right? And not responsible at all for an attempted act of physical assault on a woman member of parliament who broke down in parliament. I'd like your response to him, please, as peacefully as you can. Ladies and gentlemen, as of now, I don't know if I'm opening up lines. I'll decide after 25 minutes. Shehzad, your opening comment.
While Sir was making his submission, he even denied the role of Congress in the 1984 genocide. Sajjan Kumar was convicted. And when the High Court convicted him, they said that he had political patronage and therefore it took 34 years and it was a party-sponsored massacre. And forget BJP calling it out. The Aam Aadmi Party won its campaign in 2022, campaign on this very same point.
We are winning in Punjab.
Sir,
Punjab पे हम जीत रहे हैं.
Sir, please. Breaking news comes in. An FIR has been officially filed in this case. Please continue. And gentlemen, please just calm down. We'll allow everyone. Yes. Thank you.
And
thank you, viewers. I thank you, viewers. Please watch carefully on the day when there has been this.
Arnab, just a little diversion. When women from the wrestling community made allegations against Brij Bhushan, we not once doubted their version and veracity. And that's how it should be. If a woman says that a dignity or a modesty has been outraged, we take that on record. And Arnab, I remember the number of debates you also did because you wanted to get to the truth and you stood with the victim. Let me just say something. Let me just quote something.
I'm coming to you, sir.
Okay? The security personnel had cordoned and created a passage to the entrance for the right for the honourable MPs of other parties. Suddenly, leader of opposition, Shri Rahul Gandhi, along with other members, came in front of me. And despite there being a passage created for them, he misbehaved with me in a loud voice and his physical proximity was so close that I, being a lady member, felt extremely uncomfortable. I stepped aside with a heavy heart and denouncing my democratic rights, felt that no member of parliament should behave like this. I belong to the ST community of Nagaland and I'm a lady member. I want to ask that should we deny this?
Is this a complaint of the member of parliament who...
In parliament, submitted in parliament on her letterhead. I am asking every viewer who's watching this debate tonight, that is a lady member of parliament from the tribal community from Nagaland lying? Is that what she's being accused of? She's being accused of doing badnami of Rahul? Is she being accused of saying that she has she's trying to divert from an issue? Secondly, Mr. Rahul Gandhi himself admitted that Mata Hara ye jo dhakka mukki hui. When Rahul Gandhi went for a moment when Nishikant...
Where has he admitted it?
Yes, he has admitted it.
You have put out a tweet. I'm just interrupting you here. We are all aware, Anmol, and to the Samajwadi Party spokesperson and Ahmad. No, but you claim, I just want to place on record that Shehzad Poonawalla, a vocal national spokesperson of the BJP, has put out a tweet in which he claims that Rahul Gandhi has admitted that he has carried out the physical attack.
No.
We calm down. Okay. Did you put out a tweet where you have said that Rahul Gandhi has admitted the violence?
Yes.
On what basis are you saying that?
Because he has said it in so many words.
Can you tell me, please?
Please, let me play it for you.
You want to play something for me?
Yes.
You're playing audio?
धक्का मुक्की से हमें कुछ होता नहीं है मगर ठीक है हाँ किया है धक्का मुक्की से हमें कुछ होता नहीं है मगर ठीक है
Now 1 second.
When I come to you, I'll give you full chance.
Can I please continue?
No, you are saying
Yes,
that he
yes,
has said
one second.
किया है.
Shouldn't be continued.
One minute. किया है. You are saying that
Please
Rahul.
allow me to explain.
I will.
Can I please
I assure you.
Because otherwise
Ashwini
there's
and
going to be
Akhilesh,
shouting.
believe me, I'll come to you, Anmol. I'll come to you.
Arnab,
I'm going to give
Arnab,
everyone time
let
to.
me explain to you
No.
how it was a Freudian.
मैं आपको भी दूंगा.
Arnab,
आपसे शुरू.
now let me tell you how the Freudian slip of Rahul Gandhi revealed everything.
What Freudian?
I'll tell you. The journalist asked him कि ये धक्का मुक्की हुई है क्या? When the धक्का मुक्की happens to you in Hindi, you say धक्का मुक्की हुई मेरे साथ. You don't say धक्का मुक्की किया है. When Rahul Gandhi was asked a specific question कि धक्का मुक्की हुई, he answered by saying धक्का मुक्की किया. And धक्का मुक्की किया means he was the orchestrator of the धक्का मुक्की, not the victim of the धक्का मुक्की. Which means by the Freudian slip he has admitted that धक्का मुक्की उनके साथ हुई नहीं. उन्होंने धक्का मुक्की की. Second point. नहीं
आप एक पॉइंट पे रिस्पांस दे दो. नहीं आपका पहला पॉइंट इतना लंबा.
ये डाइवर्जन पे
मैं सेकंड पॉइंट पे आऊंगा. I'll get a response and come to you. I get a response. Should I get a response and come to you? Should I get a response and come to you? 1 minute. 1 versus 4. Should I get a response? 1 minute, viewers. I will come to you. Calm down. Temper down. Okay, I will give you 30 seconds for your second point.
Yes.
But after that, you will listen to the response.
Yes. Now please let me complete.
Please.
Point number 1 is that
मेरी आंखों के सामने आप सबने देखा होगा खड़गे जी को धक्का मार के जमीन पे गिराया.
now I am asking in the entire debate, धक्का मार के खड़गे को जमीन पे गिराया. If they show me the footage of this, in fact it is Priyanka who's like point 1, point 2. When Mr. Sarangi's head was bleeding, he goes there and tells a 70-year-old कि इसने मुझको धक्का मारा. Can a 70-year-old somebody like Rahul Gandhi?
आप थे वहाँ पे.
अरे भाई,
आप थे.
The entire evidence is there. The entire evidence is there. And now finally, let me show you the evidence.
FIR हो गई है ना.
Now let me show you the evidence.
Shashank. We will come. Full time I'll give you. Calm down.
Please, I draw your attention. This is the view. This is the security cordon created. Now I will also show you that Rahul Gandhi was standing very peacefully out here. This is Rahul Gandhi, who had already been taken there with the security through that security cordon. But because he wanted to incite, this is Rahul Gandhi. He was saying he was being blocked. Here is Rahul Gandhi. But because he wanted to incite, he goes in the crowd and he pushes the MPs who are there. 7 days they protested. None of our BJP MPs did that. But one day we protested Bakardwar. They used physical violence.
कल रात को आपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके आपके होम मिनिस्टर का रिजाइन मांगा और माफी मांगी. आज इन्होंने बॉम्बे कांग्रेस आज बम्बई कांग्रेस के ऑफिस पे इन लोगों ने अटैक किया है. ये लोग इनकी प्रवृत्ति दूसरी है.
Can you show me where Kharge ji को धक्का
देखिए, I wish to come here. Mr. Shehzad, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panelists have not spoken. Sabharwal ji and Shehzad ji, 5 of my panelists have not spoken. I request you all. Now, 1 minute.
He's calling a female tribal MP a liar. Mr. Sabharwal is calling Madam Konia a liar.
भैया,
These people are calling Madam Konia a liar.
आप हमको लायर कह रहे हैं. आप हमें लायर कर रहे हैं. आप हमें लायर कह रहे हो.
1 minute. May I just get Anmol, and I'll come in that order. I'll give everyone their chance to speak, and if I may just request everyone to answer specific questions. My question to you, Anmol Pawar, Anmol Pawar, the question we all need to face is this. See, Anmol, can I have your attention?
I'm listening to you.
See, Anmol, the fact of the matter is we must understand that members of parliament of one side have been hospitalized with critical injuries. These are not manufactured instances out there, right? Secondly, out there, what did Rahul Gandhi mean by saying kiya hai? It's a hua to hua kind of moment where you admit that something happened, but you want to appear unapologetic about it. Now, my point is, Anmol, if you appear unapologetic about it, यानी कि आप कहें कि ये हुआ तो हुआ वाला जो approach जो सैम पित्रोदा उनके गुरुदेव का है, तो बात ये है कि how will people view it? Today, if I open the lines, Anmol, I want to tell you this. If I open the lines tonight, I believe that 99% of the viewers today say that Rahul Gandhi does not deserve to be leader of the opposition. What do you gain by supporting an act of violence? And more particularly, may I remind you that there are many women viewers today. You have many women voters today. A woman in parliament has broken down describing the way in which Rahul Gandhi was almost physically assaulting her. She would not lie about this. It's a terrible think that it has happened today, and sometimes we need to step away from political affiliation at looking at an incident like this. I'm looking at you because I believe AAP should take principled positions and not positions of a junior party in its response on such grave matters. Anmol.
Arnab,
Please.
every woman's dignity, whether she's a parliamentarian or not.
I request that. No. Abhishek and Shehzad. Abhishek and Shehzad will not. 1 minute. Can I stop this for a minute? Stop this for a minute. Only I will be on air, producers. Only I will be on air, producers. Given the gravity of the incident of violence we have seen in our parliament today, I will not discuss any other issue, including Swati Maliwal. I want to get to the bottom of the violence in parliament today. That's what I believe the viewers also want. And therefore, Abhishek, do restrain yourself.
Give him some
you
time.
had your say. And can I say to the producers that if I'm not on air alone, I will not be able to discipline the panel, so I'm disciplining my producers also. Only me on the screen for a minute, please. Please follow my instructions on this. This is a very important debate. I will have no heckling on this matter. Thank you. Please calm down, sir. Please.
If they interrupt again, then I'll not speak, because this is their strategy actually. You allow them uninterrupted time, but whenever the opposite party speaks, they either start heckling.
I'm looking at you, please reply.
So they must not interrupt.
You look at me and please reply. Yes.
Yeah. So every woman's dignity must be protected. It should not be selective like their leader roam with the rapist like Prajwal Ravana.
Can you respond to the issue at hand, please?
Yeah,
I have debated Prajwal Ravana separately, sir. I am talking about the act of violence today.
Did you interrupt them when?
Yeah, but because they referred to the issue. They referred to the issue.
No.
Today's event. Thank you. Please stay on the issue. Please stay on the issue.
We strongly condemn any form of violence, but the fact is, ये जो लोग आज यहाँ पे महिलाओं के हिमायती बन रहे हैं, they must, where were they when the women were paraded naked in Manipur? I mean, the widow of Kargil warriors were paraded naked in Manipur. तब लोग कहाँ थे ये? When the biggest rapist
Swati Maliwal was attacked, आप कहाँ थे?
When
Bipin Kumar attacked Swati Maliwal, आप कहाँ थे?
Changing on the right hand side. I'm telling the viewers tonight, the producers as well. We calm down tonight. We calm down tonight. We calm down tonight. In the interest of the country, we calm down tonight. And we hold ourselves back. Because what has happened in Parliament is unforgivable. Please, I request you, Abhishek. Beyond, I will come to you. Please, Abhishek, you will debate. But I'm requesting the windows to be framed properly. And I'm saying this to the producers an umpteenth time. And I'm requesting you, Abhishek, hold your horses for a minute, because I will ask the questions tonight. It's too serious today's matter.
Like it happened day before.
Like it happened
day before yesterday.
What is your view on Swati Maliwal?
डिबेट छोड़ के भागेंगे फिर उस दिन की तरह. अगर आप चाहते हैं इसी तरह से चले, तो फिर हम यहीं हैं 40 मिनट हम देखते हैं.
मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं. अनमोल जी, आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं. You listen. Abhishek, don't. When I've requested you once, I listen to me. My question to you is, a female member of parliament, a female, Abhishek will not do that, and the producers will not encourage it. I'm requesting you now, please. Shut up.
Actually, this is...
For God's sake, a single instruction should be enough, and that's it now. Abhishek, please pull down, please. I am requesting you. My question to you is this. No. My question is, no. A video. I have a video. There is a video. Can I see the videos of RML Hospital today? The videos of RML Hospital on the screen. The videos replacing me. Again, with viewers. Now, Anmol, there is a video. I want to show the video. No, you are also not listening to me. I want to show the videos full frame for a minute. The pictures. Would you allow me to respond to the visuals? Do you see the pictures on it? Do you see the pictures on it?
Is this why you call
Do you see the pictures on it? The pictures on it. Anmol, my question to you is, I see some visuals and you see the same visuals as well.
No, but you must at least allow me to.
Yeah, I see the same visual. One minute. I'm not speaking to them right now. I'm asking you and Akhilesh and Ashwini. My focus is on the three of you. I am seeing some pictures. Can we put the small windows? I can be in the small windows along with the guests on my left so that we get a visual. Now the question is this, viewers. These are videos, and in some videos there's an unconscious Sarangi being carried on a stretcher after his MRI back into the ICU in a weak condition. There are visuals of Mukesh Rajput back into the ICU after an MRI. And there is a female member of parliament, very, very young, Anmol, probably I would say around your age, who herself says that this man, Rahul Gandhi, came into बहुत close proximity. And she says, I did not feel comfortable. Then he came into more close proximity and he made a threatening pose at me. Now tell me, if this was happening to any of your friends or family members, you'd be appalled that a man can behave like that. Anmol, what is your response to what he did to Fangon Konyak, please?
See,
to the female MP. My question is to Anmol, please.
As I said, any form of violence is condemnable. FIR has already been registered.
That's bad,
I think
right?
an FIR has already been registered. The law will take its own course. But the fact is that the whole BJP ecosystem and few media outlets are also trying to divert from the real issue.
No, but
the people of
is this not a real issue?
Country,
The attack by Rahul Gandhi is not a real issue.
There's another incident.
Have you ever heard of an incident like this? Have you ever heard of an incident like this?
Which happened in Parliament yesterday.
Tell me one thing.
The people of this country are on streets today. There's widespread protest against Mr.
what
Amit
is happening in the parliament of our country?
Dalits.
Anmol,
He's against the constitution.
I am actually
He's
quite
against
surprised
Mr.
and
Ambedkar.
appalled.
And it is for the BJP to answer.
I did
Mr.
not
Amit Shah
expect
must apologize to
Now
the
we'll
nation.
go back to the right.
And this whole attempt to divert from this issue will not yield.
Thank you, Anmol. Anmol,
They
thank
have
you.
to respond.
Thank you. Now I'd like to go to Abhishek and Karan, and we are opening up the debate, ladies and gentlemen. I will open some calls, but after 20 minutes. Yeah. Abhishek will take on the gentleman on the other side. Abhishek and Karan, 2 versus 2, taking on Akhilesh and Ashwini. Let's keep our cool tonight. Viewers, I want to focus on the act of intentional and deliberate violence by Rahul Gandhi. Now, if we say that one act of violence can be justified by the other, then this incident can be justified by the Congress party. But can we allow that to happen is my question. Opening remarks. Abhishek versus gentleman on the other side.
Let's
Please.
look at it legally. FIR has been registered.
Legal argument.
Complaint has been filed. The most serious charge is attempt to murder. That is the most serious charge.
Is that extreme? Do you really think Rahul Gandhi was trying to murder someone?
At the end of the day, that's a charge. It has to be proved in a court of law. Sir, let me speak, then you can come.
Why? Let him speak. Why? You were laughing.
Okay, let him finish. No. Let him finish. He'll come. Okay, right. I held him back like I'm holding you back now. He finishes, I come to you.
Refrain from violence.
Should stop laughing
Refrain
on
from
the
violence.
serious issues like
Okay, nobody's going to laugh. I agree with you. It's too serious an issue.
First of all, in law, we have to ascertain who is the aggressor. Makkardwar, there was a protest, 10 a.m. BJP MPs gather at 10 a.m. At 10:30, the India Alliance contingent comes there. They tell the BJP MPs, move away from here. CISF requests them. The BJP has a planned protest. The first time the BJP has protested this entire session at Makkardwar, whereas India Alliance has been protesting every day. CISF personnel, by protocol, cannot touch a parliamentarian. The CISF cannot touch parliamentarians. So when you speak of their security, you cannot touch a parliamentarian. They request the parliamentarians, please, we have made an alternative designated path for the India MPs to take. Please take that path. Priyanka Gandhi led that mob. Rahul Gandhi then joined that mob. That mob did not take the designated path. It pushed back against the BJP MPs. 70-year-old MP gets injured. Then Mr. Nishikant Dubey,
I'm coming to both of you.
20 seconds. Mr. Nishikant Dubey tells Rahul Gandhi, Rahul, ऐसे नहीं होता. देखो क्या तुमने क्या किया है. He comes and says, he pushed me. Has Rahul Gandhi visited this MP in hospital? At least visit the MP in hospital. Even if you feel you have not done something, you're a leader of opposition. That's a very high rank. Have the courtesy to at least visit the MP who's in hospital.
Okay, thank you for your point. I'd like a response. One by one. Anmol, the two gentlemen to your right. The two gentlemen to your right. The two gentlemen to your right have not spoken. Anmol.
सारे दलित सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. ये अपमान नहीं सहेगा हिंदुस्तान. दलितों का अपमान हिंदुस्तान नहीं सहेगा. जवाब दो. कल ये भी हुआ था संसद में. क्या कहोगे आप? What's your comment on that?
What is your comment on Swati Maliwal, a parliamentarian getting assaulted by Deepak Kumar?
You are against the Dalits. You are against the
you are against women.
You are standing
against
shoulder
women.
to shoulder.
You are against
the party who's insulting Dalit day and
Send it to me on the group.
Is this the way?
Ladies and gentlemen, I request you, Anmol, see, I have another bit of breaking news right now while we are debating this very hot issue, and I can tell you right now, Anmol and Abhishek will hold back from a parallel conversation. Ladies and gentlemen, Anmol, I request you. Anmol, please, I request you. And I request you as well, please bring some order into the debate. I'm trying to get everyone in. I'm trying to bring some reason. You feel that this country is not concerned. You feel people are happy tonight? You feel citizens, law-abiding citizens, tax-paying citizens of the country are happy tonight? You think this is entertainment? It is not. And I have just been told it is not. It's a matter of concern for us. And I have a newsroom full of young journalists and looking there and seeing what example are we setting to the people of this country. Now, my question which the gentleman raised here to your right, इन्होंने जो कहा कि जो member of parliament वो 70 साल के हैं, बुजुर्ग हैं, at least relatively बुजुर्ग हैं. Rahul Gandhi is 55, he is 70. And Rahul Gandhi is saying the 70-year-old man tried to attack me, so I attacked him. My question to you is, sir, can you please, Akhilesh Katiyar and Ashwini Kumar Mishra, Akhilesh ji, can you really think that a 70-year-old MP with injuries जो bleeding है, जिनकी bleeding चल रही, काफी severe bleeding है, do you think he's acting, making it up? On record उन्होंने कहा है, I have been attacked by Rahul Gandhi. Please, sir.
मुझे हिंसा के लिए लोकतंत्र में अर्नो जी कोई जगह नहीं है और उनके साथ जो तकलीफ है हमें इस बात का अफसोस है, लेकिन दो बातें हैं, हमने बहुत ध्यान से सुना है. मुझे लगता है 2 मिनट अर्नो जी आप हमें बोलने दीजिए. आज जो इस मुद्दे पे हम बहस कर रहे हैं उसके बुनियाद में क्या है कि कल गृह मंत्री का जो बयान कि डॉक्टर अंबेडकर का जो है नाम एक फैशन बन गया है, और मैं एक बात कह रहा हूं, आज जो आपको ब्लीडिंग दिख रही है अर्नो जी,
ब्लीडिंग दिख रही है, आपको भी दिख रही है.
दलित और पिछड़ों ने जो अपमान और अभाव का जीवन हजारों साल से जिया है, उनके जहन और चित्त पे जितना खून बहा है उस पे भी कौन बात करेगा. आपने कहा भगवान है, भाई भगवान ने हमको, भगवान ने अगला जन्म आप सुधार रहे हैं, लेकिन इस देश में लोकतंत्र में अगर जो अधिकार दिए वो तो डॉक्टर अंबेडकर ने दिए ना अर्नो जी. और हमारा भगवान और हमारा भाग्य, जो हमारी तकदीर है, वो भगवान ने तो नहीं बदली. हमें भरोसा है कि डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के माध्यम से बनाए हुए संविधान से शायद संसद में बदल जाए. इसलिए उस भगवान के साथ अगर कोई अत्याचार और अन्याय की बात करता है तो वो इस देश के किसी भी नागरिक को ये पसंद नहीं आएगा. इस देश में जो इस संविधान है ये हमेशा से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं के छाती पर सांप लूटने का काम करता है. आज हिंदुत्व ये जो विचारधारा की जो बात करते रहे, आप डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के बारे में बात करते हैं, लेकिन डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के विचारों पे भी चलिए. भारतीय जनता पार्टी का जो एक मूल चरित्र है कि फोटो पे माला डालेंगे, जय जयकार करेंगे और उसके विचार को दफन कर देने का काम करते हैं, यही काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग कर रहे हैं. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के संविधान को दफन कर रहे हैं. और हमें भगवान की बात मत बताइए, हमें स्वर्ग नरक की बात मत बताइए, क्योंकि मेरे साथ जो जात के नाम पे, जो धर्म के नाम पे जो पीड़ा रही है, अगर उससे मुक्ति का मार्ग किसी.
अखिलेश कटियार जी, आपने बहुत लंबा एक मिनट मैं एक बात कहूंगा. करण, देन यू विल कम एंड ही विल कम एंड यू ऑल कम. सी, ही हैज नॉट इवन स्पोकन. अखिलेश जी, मैं ऑन रिकॉर्ड एक बात कहना चाहता हूं कि बहुत बड़े और अच्छे प्रवक्ता है और आप एक्सपीरियंस प्रवक्ता है, मैं भी एक्सपीरियंस जर्नलिस्ट हूं. आपने मेरे सवाल का बिल्कुल जवाब नहीं दिया. आपने अंबेडकर, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी सब कुछ कहा, मगर जो असॉल्ट हुआ है आप जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाए. और आपने उस पर कमेंट क्यों नहीं की? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं आपको भी दुख है आज कि राहुल गांधी कुछ भी करते, इस मामले पे को उठाने के कई तरीके, आपके लीडर भी तरीके उठाते. क्या आज तक कभी अखिलेश यादव ने इस तरह की हिंसा की उत्तर प्रदेश के असेंबली में? सोच भी सकते हैं हमने कितने हीटेड डिबेट देखे योगी जी के साथ, मगर एक धैर्य होता है और एक एक्सपीरियंस की बात होती है, और वो भी राजनीतिक परिवार से, ये भी राजनीतिक परिवार से. बट कभी क्या आप सोच भी सकते हैं, क्या आपके, कैन यू इवन इमेजिन इन योर ड्रीम्स that Akhilesh will physically attack people, send them to hospital and assault women MPs like the way Rahul Gandhi has done today? I can't, sir. I can never imagine he'll do that. Karan wants to respond to you. 1 minute. Karan and then Shehzad, then the debate is opening up. Karan.
अर्नब, इन्होंने बहुत भाषण दिया कि इसकी जड़ में क्या है. इसकी जड़ में है राहुल गांधी का वायलेंट बिहेवियर. लगातार मोदी घर से नहीं निकल पाएगा, लोग उसको डंडे से मारेंगे.
नहीं, बात खत्म हो जाए. नहीं, बात खत्म हो जाए.
मारेंगे. इमरान मसूद ने
बात खत्म कर ले. बात खत्म. बहुत बढ़िया.
नाना पटोले, मोदी को मैं मार भी सकता. और ये जो रोमेश सब्रवाल यहां पे ज्ञान दे रहे थे, 10 साल पहले अर्नब आपसे इंटरव्यू में राहुल गांधी ने कहा था कि yes, some Congress members were involved. In 1984.
Were involved.
Apologize for that.
Yes.
राहुल गांधी ने खुद माना था, रोमेश सबरवाल सोते रह गए थे तब, इनको तब पता नहीं, इन्होंने वो इंटरव्यू नहीं देखा जिसने उनका करियर खत्म कर दिया राहुल गांधी का। उसके बाद 89 चुनाव वो हार चुके, जाके आज उसको देखिएगा जरूर रोमेश सबरवाल। इनकी वायलेंस इनके रगों में। और अखिलेश जी, आपको बता दूं, आपने वो दुष्कर्म किया है 2012 में।
अखिलेश कटियार ने
वापस
अखिलेश कटियार
औकात दिखाने का काम किया है।
Don't use that word.
के साथ
Don't use that word.
No, I am saying this is what they did. They said we will show them.
Akhilesh has the right to reply, then I'm coming to you. Akhilesh right to reply, then I'm coming to you. I will give everyone time tonight. I'll extend the debate tonight.
और प्रमोशन रिवर्स किया।
के संविधान को कुचल के जो उस पे आगे बढ़ने का जो ख्याल है वो है भारत के छाती पे दुष्कर्म। समाजवादी अम्बेडकरवादी
Shehzad is on the debate. Shehzad and Ashwini Kumar Mishra will be on the debate now. Order on the debate now. Order on the debate now. I stand on my feet again. Now I'm requesting Shehzad C.
Just 20 seconds. और
Shehzad and then Ashwini.
Everybody is testament to the fact.
Come.
वो झूठ और बोल लो आप।
और अश्विनी जी किसी के बीच में नहीं बोला। अखिलेश जी ने बोला कि संविधान खिलाफ है, संविधान के खिलाफ है। जम्मू कश्मीर में संविधान तब लागू हुआ जब 370 हटा, 370 वापस लाने का रेजोल्यूशन जिसने पारित किया, आप उनके साथ हैं। आपने कहा अंबेडकर जी हमारे लिए भगवान है। आजम खान ने 2016 में बोला कि अंबेडकर जी की जो उंगली वाला स्टैच्यू है ये बताता है कि ये जमीन भी मेरी है और आगे वाली जमीन भी मेरी है। 2012 में जब समाजवादी पार्टी सरकार में थी यूपीए के, दिस पिक्चर was published in NCERT textbooks.
What picture is?
The picture shows Nehru whipping Ambedkar.
Shame for that tonight.
Please,
shame for that tonight.
One second, let me add. When Kapil Sibal was cornered, please, Ashwini, don't do this. Please, Ashwini, Arnab, no, you're not allowing me. Arnab, I heard Akhilesh. Arnab, please intervene. Arnab, the BJP is time to speak.
बीजेपी को जवाब सुनने की आदत नहीं बची है।
1 minute. Let him complete. I say I'll come to you. Ashwini, I'll come to you. If you let him complete, because you are more and they are less, let him complete and I'll come to you. Complete your point. I'll come to you. I started with you. Sir, you're being unfair to me. I have done nothing. I am trying to bring order into my debate. I will not be blamed for anything. Shehzad will continue now.
Set the rules of the debate and made it very clear that the three of us have to keep the other side of speaking. We did. But now when it is the BJP's turn to speak, you're allowing their encouragement.
No, please complete your point.
Last point that I was trying to make was only this. This picture of Nehru whipping Ambedkar was in 2012.
Sir, let him complete, sir. Anmol kahani, Manohar kahani, jo bhi kahani hai, Vikram Betal ki kahani, Panchatantra, unko bolne dijiye, sir, please.
Can I have my dedicated 30 seconds?
Sir, continue. No, don't ask me for time.
30 seconds. 30 bolenge.
Calm down, sir. You are heckling him now. Now this is wrong. I have at least 1,000 callers waiting on the line now, sir. You know the pressure on my newsroom. The whole country is listening to this debate. Let's take it seriously. My time extend kar dunga. Mujhe koi problem nahi hai. Boliye.
When this picture, Kapil Sibal was confronted, ki why is this picture there in the NCERT textbooks? He said people like Yogendra Yadav have designed this. And last point, Sam Pitroda tweeted, Nehru developed the constitution, Ambedkar had no role. Now with these 4 questions, 370, Mr. Ambedkar being whipped by Nehru, 2012 picture, Azam Khan's statement, and Sam Pitroda's statement. I want specific answers. Probably from Anmol because he's supporting Rahul Gandhi more than even Rahul Gandhi's people are supporting him today. This is an anokha रिश्ता है ये. दिल्ली में एक सीट नहीं देनी है, पंजाब में एक सीट नहीं देनी है, पर राहुल मेरा राहुल हो राहुल.
Okay, I would like to request Ashwini Kumar Mishra.
चश्मा लगाओ ताकि दिख जाए.
Defend Rahul. You defend Rahul and cognac
में लगाओ सुन जाए तुम्हें कि बोल क्या रहे हो.
Ashwini Kumar Mishra, the calls are open, your take. He is from the Congress party, by the way. Ashwini, continue. Continue. No, you don't need to take jibes.
Disgusting comment.
You don't need to take
What
jibes.
is this disgusting comment being made?
Why?
At the
What is
panelists.
disgusting about it? What is disgusting about it?
No, I will say that.
Why are we discussing Rahul Gandhi? Why are we not
because
discussing?
Congress is
Why are we not discussing about
Congress is considered half by half.
Why are we just discussing Rahul Gandhi? Is it not biased? No. BJP is the victim of its own sin. BJP is the victim of its own sin. You heckled.
Thank you very much. Please make your point. The act of violence is the issue here, please. Video was
issue, but who did the violence is important. Their own MPs, we have seen. जूते मारते उनके MLA को, उनके खुद के MP. That is the kind of violence.
How was Sitaram? Was Sitaram Yechuri? Was Sitaram Kesri? Was Sitaram Kesri almost assaulted in the Congress Party headquarters or not?
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? Look at their behavior. They are laughing at the serious issue on the.
Calm down, everyone. Listen.
The serious issue that BJP is the victim of it.
What is your thought when you see the pictures of the bleeding when you see pictures of the bleeding victims on air? When you see pictures of the bleeding, full frame please, with these bleeding victims, you tell me, Ashwini ji, when you see these pictures, what comes in your mind? आपने नहीं मारा, राहुल गांधी ने मारा है. राहुल गांधी ने जिनको मारा, उनके victims के तस्वीर देख के आपको क्या लग रहा है?
I have a great sympathy for him. He should
for whom? For
BJP, because BJP is on. People hit him when they try to heckle Rahul Gandhi. They basically
okay on the smaller windows.
You go heckle people. कोई बूढ़ा आदमी बीच में फंस गया, गिर गया.
बूढ़ा आदमी फंस.
Yeah, this is what it exactly happened. You have a video evidence, and the way he was, like he was having his drone flying over the parliament.
Let him speak on the windows.
But how can you allow such
You feel bad about what happened. You feel bad about what happened. 1 minute. You feel bad about what happened.
It is not done by Rahul Gandhi. It is done by own BJP's people. They were trying to heckle, and they got into a tussle.
How?
Injury happened.
How?
Actually, you should be debating why Khadge ji was pushed down, but you are not. You will just discuss on Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, Rohan is calling from Mumbai. Our first caller this evening is Rohan from Mumbai. I'm taking only 3 callers tonight. Rohan, make it short, please. Rohan, what do you think, Rohan? Quickly, Rohan.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear, Rohan. Go on.
Okay, firstly, huge fan.
Thank you.
Secondly, you should keep some paramedics out here because I'm really concerned about Mr. Sabharwal's health.
Ms. Sabharwal is concerned about your health. Yes, I'm going to keep paramedics. Okay, 1 minute. Sabharwal is concerned about you. Rohan?
I do meditation every day.
Yeah, thank you. Rohan.
And I'm also concerned.
in Bangkok?
Okay, 1 minute. Calm down. Rohan, please continue. Rohan, please continue. Make your point. Why? Stop it. Ladies and gentlemen, Rohan. Let's speak. I request you, Shehzad, keep the debate serious. Rohan is calling. Rohan, make your point, please, on the debate. Rohan, make your point, please, on the debate. Silence. Rohan, complete your point.
And the last thing I want to say is that Congress is history. This kind of ridiculous behavior is really, I think Rahul Gandhi should resign.
Next caller. I got that. He says it's ridiculous behavior. Rahul Gandhi should resign. I'd like to take a few quick callers. Ladies and gentlemen, my greater concern is whether Aam Aadmi Party will benefit by supporting Congress Party in this kind of thing. It's an ideal opportunity for you to actually establish a distance and be smart about it. You can't be seen as B team of the Congress parties. Yes, you can't be seen. You're going to be seen.
Can I get 30 seconds?
Yes, you have 20 seconds.
Shehzad ji rose several questions about Ambedkar and Nehru. I want specific answers on, what...
You can ask one question straight to Shehzad.
Yeah.
Okay, now both of you calm down. Let him ask you and then you be quiet. No, please.
In 1997, 50th,
breaking tickers on the
50th year
numbers.
of independence, Arun Shourie ji wrote a book. He said, Worshipping Gods. In that he said that Baba Saheb Ambedkar अंग्रेजों के गुलाम थे. In 1998, BJP brought him in Rajya Sabha, made him a minister, and he remained in Rajya Sabha till 2010. So will BJP explain why did they support Arun Shourie?
One minute. Please, quick. 10 seconds. I got the question. I've got to keep it tight. Respond. Understand this. But he has to I've got the time. 30 seconds. Give an answer. I look at you, you answer. I'm looking at you, you answer. The question is, the point is made. I do not have time, sir. I have to take. You made your point. You said you need 30 seconds. I gave you 1 minute. Be sharp and concise. Okay, I'll give you another 10 seconds complete.
Secondly, in 2015, आरएसएस के प्रमुख मोहन भागवत ने कहा था हम रिजर्वेशन खत्म करेंगे, उस पे क्या स्टैंड है आपका?
Okay, thank you. No, your time is up.
On 11 December 1949,
thank you. Point taken. Full frame on Shehzad, please. Full frame on Shehzad. Response. Thank you.
I am going to do in the history of this debate something that's
Anmol, there has to be a full stop. Anmol, thank you.
कि आरक्षण देना
Full frame for Shehzad, please.
What would you say on that?
Full frame for Shehzad, please.
You have a track record.
Viewers, I have a habit of answering the question or running away. Arnab, please, can you please?
Thank you. Good.
Arnab, he asked me 2 questions, but for the paucity of time, I'll take the first one.
I've asked you 4 questions,
frame.
but you don't have answer for them.
Response time, please. Calm down, viewers. Respond, Shehzad, for God's sake. Go on.
Now, Arnab, he started off by asking about Arun Shourie. I denounce Arun Shourie's book, but now you denounce this. Those who've got benefit of reservation should be put in the end of the queue. Atishi maar lena. Atishi maar lena. Now you say, what do you say? You say, what do you say? This tweet of Atishi maar lena. Please read it. Please read it.
This one.
Please read that tweet of Atishi maar lena.
Reservation has failed.
Please read that tweet of
Read what is written.
Read what is
written. Should I read it for you? Should I read it for you? This is Amit Malviya saying that the policy reservation has failed us.
What about Atish?
Let me read another. It is saying that reservation has become political lollipop.
You want to give me a
How do you respond to that?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
How do you respond to that?
Yogendra, next caller from Delhi. From Delhi, our next caller. His name is Yogendra from Delhi. Full frame on me. Yogendra, do you hear me tonight? You hear me tonight, Yogendra? Yogendra ji, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Higher in the studio, please, for our caller, Yogendra from Delhi. Yogendra, stand down. Yogendra, sit down. You sit down too. Sit down, gentlemen. बैठ जाइए. अनमोल जी बैठ जाइए. शहजाद में आप बैठ जाइए. Sit down. आप बैठ जाइए.
Please take action on Atishi maar lena. Mr. Akhilesh, do you agree? Do you agree?
Sit down. Sir, you also sit down. Okay, Yogendra from Delhi. Yogendra, sit down, Shehzad. I tell you, order on my show. Sit down. Everybody is... Okay.
रिजर्वेशन के खिलाफ है.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have overshot the time by 2 minutes. Yogendra, I'm sorry I couldn't take your call because of the day. All I will say tonight is that what happened in Parliament was really unfortunate. We hope for better days in Parliament. We hope for proper debate in Parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope for an end to this kind of violence in Parliament. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night and good night.